A few inches later.
Yo, Liam, what's good, bro?
Oh, what's up, Pete?
Yo, you know we have a test review today in this class?
For real?
Yes, bro.
Nah, dude, those never work anyway. I doubt anything will have to do with the test. I'll probably just take a nap.
Dude, those never work anyway. I doubt anything will have to do with the test. I'll probably just take a nap.
Good morning, class. Everyone, please make sure you're in dress code. Please take out your notebooks. Today we'll be going over division, hyperbolas, parabolas, and exponential factors. All right, so please take out your notebooks and let's get started. Liam, please get in dress code. Today we'll be going over the review for the test tomorrow. We have you guys first period tomorrow at 8:35. Please, everyone, take out your notebooks. Let's get started. Class, today we will not be using the whiteboard, but we will be watching a video.
The review is very much like the test.
So please write this down. It's very important.
Liam, we should really write this down. It could be the same exact thing on the test.
Nah, dude, I doubt it. I mean, he won't put the same thing on the test. I'll probably just take a nap. Like, wake me up if he calls on me.
Are you sure? Like, we should really write this down.
Nah, dude, I'm telling you, I doubt it's gonna be on the test. Just like, send it to me after if it's good.
Whatever you say.
All right, today we'll be going over quadratic systems. I'm going to be screenplaying it here. Please remember to use your notebooks.
Bruh.
All right, here, notice how we have two equations that both are equal to y. Here we have -2 to the second, and here we have x to the first. Please write that down.
Excuse me, Professor Davenport?
Yes, Petey.
Why is the x in the first equation negative?
All right, Petey, that was a great question. I'll get back to you. That's going to come up later. But for now, we're going to solve this by substitution.
Thank you, Professor Davenport.
Wake up! Alright, here, class. So we have 0, 1 here and 3, 4 here. These are going to be our last 2 points of the day. Please remember, review your notes tonight, do your homework, look over your homework. And tomorrow, just come in ready, first period. Alright? Go.
Thank you, Professor Davenport.
Go.
Hey, Liam, did you take any notes today?
Nah, just send me what you took and I guess I'll look at that.
You're gonna regret it, bro.
Alright.
Later, many months later.
Yo, dude, Pete, why didn't you send me the notes last night?
I told you to take them in class, but you didn't.
You're supposed to send them to me.
But you can't just rely on my notes.
Alright, dude, whatever.
Alright, today we'll be taking the test. iPads on your desk, please. Take out a pencil, and let's get to it. Alright, here's the test. Everyone, keep your eyes on your own paper, please. And hand them in my bucket up there when you're done. Liam? I have to use the bathroom. Sit down. We can't use it during the test. Keep your eyes on your own paper, please. Liam, come speak to me in the hallway. your papers into me here in the front, and you guys can leave when you guys are done. Good job, Pete. Liam, we're done. We have a full 60 minutes. Pick up that pencil.
Later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hey, Liam.
Hey, Liam.
Liam. How'd you think you did on the math test yesterday?
Oh, I didn't even study. I didn't even know a single problem on there.
We're getting it back today.
Yeah, probably failed, but whatever.
Liam, didn't you think the review was super helpful?
I mean, I should have paid attention. I was doubting the fact that it would be the test, but so I didn't know.
But do you not remember that he said that the review would be very similar to the test?
Yeah, I didn't believe him. I was just doubting him.
It was almost exactly like the test.
Yeah, whatever.
All right, good job on the test the other day. The class average was about 85%. I'm gonna be handing these back. Good job, Cole.
Yes, let's go. I got 100.
These songs are class.
Alright. What'd you get, dude?
What'd you get?
You got an F.
Bro, I told you to study.
I got like 4 right, dude.
Alright, the review 2 days ago was just like the test. For future references, please note, take notes, and make sure you pay attention to those reviews. Those are very similar and will help you throughout the year.
I told you to take notes on the review day. It was exactly like it.
Yeah, I should have never doubted you or Professor. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. I know for the next time, but I guess I should have never doubted you.